Hey guys, it's Ben from Currys, and today we're looking at 3 top features of the Hisense Core Line washing machine. It runs quietly, it can freshen up your clothes to save you time and money, and it dispenses detergent for you. We've got one set up in the lab. We're going to head over and look at these in a bit more detail. This is quiet, efficient, and long-lasting, and that quietness is something you really notice with every load, especially if you're wanting to put cycles on maybe first thing in the morning and everyone in the house is still in bed. And what makes this possible is the inverter motor, which makes a much bigger difference than you might think. It rotates at just the right speed for every load, so the machine runs smoothly and generates less heat. Now, I have a decibel counter here. We're going to measure some sound levels just to show you how quiet this thing is. 51.8 decibels, which is actually quieter than the kettle would be for your morning brew, which sits at around 75 to 90 decibels. It actually has a time and money saving option for when you don't actually need to put on a full wash. Allergy steam basically gives your clothes a freshen up, which is ideal for if you've worn something a little bit and you just want to get some creases out and make it smell fresh again. You don't have to worry about using too much or too little detergent. This knows exactly the right amount to use and automatically dispenses it for you, making sure you always get the best results. So if you'd like more information on the Hisense washing machine, you can visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.